A chef taught me the best potato recipe I've ever had in my life. And trust me, once you make this, you're gonna want it every single week. I'm gonna start by cutting 5 potatoes into medium-sized chunks. Don't cut them too small because we want them soft on the inside without falling apart. And before I forget, tell me what city you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in the next video. Today's shout out goes to Sarah Miller from Denver, Colorado. I'm so happy you've been enjoying our recipes. Next, add the potatoes to a pot, cover with hot water, add 1 tablespoon of salt and give everything a quick stir. Then let them cook until fork tender, about 15 minutes. Perfect. Now just drain the water and set the potatoes aside. Now in a large skillet, add 1 tablespoon of butter and stir until completely melted. Then add 3 cloves of minced garlic and saute for a minute. Wow, that smell is absolutely amazing. Now add 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon oregano, 1 teaspoon chicken seasoning, 1 cup heavy cream, and mix everything really well. Tell me, what's your favorite potato recipe? I'd love to know. The flavor of this recipe is honestly unbelievable. Super easy to make and so worth it. Now add the cooked potatoes into the skillet and toss them gently in that creamy sauce. For that extra special touch, I'm adding about 5 ounces of mozzarella cheese. And finally, I'll add 3/4 ounce of grated Parmesan cheese to give it an even richer flavor. Mix everything well until all the cheese melts perfectly into the sauce. At this point, the cheese is completely melted and creamy. Now just top it with some crispy bacon pieces. And to finish it off, add some freshly chopped parsley to taste. Mix everything together really well. The aroma already smells incredible. Just imagine the taste. This recipe is easy, quick, and packed with flavor. Perfect as a side dish for steak, chicken, or even barbecue. Look at these potatoes covered in that creamy sauce and that melted cheese stretching everywhere. Make these potatoes at home and then come back to tell me what you thought. I'm sure you and your family are going to love it. Enjoy!